everyone! Ubo sama, dinatama, ayubuan. Uyata ko humada. Naragsak nga aldaw apo. So for today's vlog, you will come with us and we will try a new supermarket. Napakaganda ng view dito. We checked out this place, but sadly they only have a mini mart. So we went ahead to Savewise to buy the things that we needed. After buying the things that we needed, we went ahead to go to the local market. We couldn't find a parking spot, that's why I forgot to film. Just admire the beautiful greens of Mother Nature. We decided to stop by to buy some cold drinks. We were actually going to go home, but we thought of going to our local market first to buy some shawarma next to the 7-Eleven. This is what their shawarma looks like, and it's very tasty, guys. You should try it. That's all. Thank you so much for coming with us.